cow. There he goes. Man, it's huge. Holy smoke. He's standing by the, standing in the yard. He's going over there. Look at that thing. It's an egret or something.